Hello and good afternoon from Vancouver, BC. This is Laura from the Queen of Mirth, and today I want to just flip through this Dreaming of Frida. It's a Frida Kahlo journal that I made with a kit that I have in my Etsy store. This is the cover, and this is the cover that actually comes with the kit, but I put some stickers of roses around her because I thought that she likes that. I know she liked red roses very much. Anyway, and look at, she's wearing pink ones in her hair. So let's get started, and this will be just I'm just showing you what is in the kit, and there are a few things that are not in the kit that are here, but I'm not sure what they are because I made this a very long time ago, and I think there are some things in the kit that are not in this journal. But I also should say that 95% of the things in here are in the Dreaming of Frida kit. So without further ado, let's get started.
Each sleepless night, my paintbrush and I greet each muse as she comes, one by one. For my heart is young, and my soul is old. My imagination's filled with unicorns and mermaids wondrous to behold. And I greet each muse as she comes, my paintbrush and I, each sleepless night, one by one. I've learned happiness is filled with bristly tips, and were out of slumber, I would be remiss, I'd be remiss, for I greet each muse as she comes, my paintbrush and I, each sleepless night, one by one. My paintbrush and I, each sleepless night, one by one.
So that's the end of my little flip through of Dreaming of Frida. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. It does me a lot of good. It helps me with bringing people to my little channel. And my channel's very new, so I need all the help I can get, if you don't mind. And do take care. If you make any comments, have anything to say at all, I do answer all of them. And I want to thank you for being here again, and I hope that you'll come back and see me again soon. Bye.